WhatsApp calls not ringing? Here's the solution. Let's start with Enable WhatsApp Sounds. Open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll to the bottom and click on Apps. The list of apps will appear. Scroll and tap on the WhatsApp app. Now, look for the Notifications option, then click on it. Here, make sure the Sounds option is toggled on. If this method doesn't work, then try next. Check notification settings. Go to the WhatsApp app. Now look at the bottom right corner and click on the Settings gear icon. Here, scroll and tap on the Notifications option. Make sure all the toggles are turned on. If this step doesn't resolve the issue, then try next. Enable Background App Refresh. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and click on General. Next, scroll down and tap on the Background App Refresh option. Again, scroll down. Then look for the WhatsApp app. Make sure the toggle is turned on. If this method doesn't work, then try. Reset Network Settings. Go to the Settings app and tap on General. Again, scroll to the bottom and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, at the bottom, tap on Reset. A few options will appear. Click on Reset Network Settings. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm. After restarting, check whether the calls are ringing or not. This might fix the issue, and that's it.